If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. Big hit music. Ooh, who that? Oh, girl. Ooh, okay. Okay with that cut. Hey, he going back to silver? Who farted? Don't fart in the presence of RM, our president. Ooh, okay. Damn. Why this man ready like he's about to like give a roast to me during the Bachelorette, and I'm the Bachelorette. Is it the Bachelor? I don't know which one it was. The Bachelor or the Bachelor? I don't know. But he looked like he's waiting for me. He's not looking at me. Ooh, Yugi. Okay, lip ring. You and that best moment is yet to come. From based on what I heard, definitely gonna be a soft song. Probably be a little bit upbeat, maybe. A little bit, maybe. I'm trying to guess. So June 10th, Friday at 12 a.m. Eastern time, which is 9 p.m. my time. Oh, my heart just dropped. I think Friday we said that we're gonna have like a BTS day, right? Until the comeback, and then we all go check it out, and then I come back later after I upload my reaction and then enjoy it. It's all together. This man's long ass hair. You see the little hair out of the beret? Is that how you call it? A beret? But also, this man. Damn. He was waiting. He's waiting for somebody with a rose in the desert. In a hot ass desert. And you got J-Hope just taking in all the sun with his clear skin. Look at him. Oh, first of all, look at this man. Hey, congratulations, J-Hope. We got Lollapalooza. Actually, congratulations, Lollapalooza. You got J-Hope. Is that how you say Lollapalooza? Yet to come. Watch it be like a not even what we just heard. Watch it be like totally different. That'd be kind of crazy, right? Damn, that side look is sexy. Sexy. I don't know why I said it like that. Boy, if you don't. Bro, I love RM's hair. It just looks good. I know that's probably like a lot of hairspray in there too, but he's just looking, he's a vibe right now. Yes, taking that sun. Who you looking for? Me? Who you looking towards? You thinking? And you seeing through? You and that best moment is yet to come. It's gonna be emotional. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
Hey, you better subscribe.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex, so that joint is old school. A minute like swimwear.